Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's craft a concise yet comprehensive tutorial on building a Go WebSocket client in under 4 minutes. This is going to be a whirlwind, so buckle up. Concept: what is a WebSocket? WebSockets provide full-duplex communication channels over a single TCP connection. Unlike HTTP, which is request response, WebSockets enable persistent, real-time data flow between the client and server. Think of it as a live conversation. Goal * will create a simple Go client that connects to a WebSocket server, sends a message, receives a response, and gracefully closes the connection. Libraries * will use the golang.org/x/net/websocket library. This is part of the Go extended libraries, so you'll need to install it. Prerequisites **** Go installed and configured. ** a WebSocket server to connect to. If you don't have one, you can easily find a public echo server for testing purposes, or quickly set up one using node.js with WS package. Step-by-step guide with code ***. Explanation * 1. Imports ***. We import necessary packages. 2. WS